Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gradient background on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to be adding, well, I guess this is just a bunch of colors and not just one color. Let's just go to favorites, or actually I'm just going to use that one and I'll like freeze frame some of the colors that they have and turn it into like a gradient. There. Let's select this pink color. Kind of want that purple as well. Let's just delete the ones that I did not freeze frame. Oops. And I'm just going to rotate them as well. And I'm going to resize them to fit everything. And I'm going to place them on top of each other later on, but I just need to resize everything first. Okay, so I'm going to place this green one and then I'm just going to kind of stack it like this. Go to mask and select the horizontal or the mirror one, depending on what kind of like gradient you want to do. I think this isn't big enough. There we go. And then I'm going to place it here and I'm just going to feather it out. Then I'll select the pink one and I'll select the horizontal one again. And maybe I just want a little bit of that pink, so I'm just going to place that line really close up there. Then for this one, I'm going to place it kind of down here and adjust that. And then lastly, we have that green one. Well, this blue one actually. Place it down here. And that's how you can create a gradient background. You can create like a circle one as well, a heart-shaped one. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comments section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.